In 1967, a chilling and mysterious event occurred that would puzzle scientists, radio enthusiasts, and conspiracy theorists for years to come. It began with a strange radio signal, one that seemed to come from the vast, uncharted depths of space. A signal unlike any the world had ever heard before. This anomaly, detected by a radio telescope, would come to be known as the Sleepy Hollow radio signal. The signal was powerful, structured, and precise, unlike the usual cosmic noise, that radio astronomers encountered. It wasn't just a random burst of energy from the stars. It appeared intentional, a beacon from the far reaches of the universe, or something even more unfathomable. For 72 seconds, the signal echoed across the universe, seemingly from the constellation of Sagittarius. But after that, it disappeared without a trace, never to be heard again. Was it a message? A cosmic anomaly? Or perhaps a signal from an alien civilization? Despite extensive searches, the Sleepy Hollow signal was never detected again, leaving behind an eerie silence and a mystery that still lingers. To this day, scientists and enthusiasts continue to speculate about its origins, wondering whether it was a rare cosmic event, an attempt at communication from another world, or something much darker and more unexplained. In the vast, uncharted depths of the ocean, something mysterious stirred. An unknown entity, hidden in the darkness, made its presence felt. It was 1997 when the bloop was first heard, a deep, haunting sound that echoed through the waters of the Pacific Ocean, picked up by underwater microphones known as hydrophones. This wasn't just any sound, it was a low, powerful noise. An almost primal rumble, sounding like an enormous creature dragging itself through the ocean's deepest trenches. Something so immense that it reverberated for thousands of miles. The sound was so intense, it was detected by hydrophones positioned hundreds of miles apart. Scientists at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, were stunned. The source of the bloop didn't match any known underwater phenomenon. It wasn't the call of a whale, the burst of an earthquake, or even an erupting volcano. It was unlike anything the world had ever heard. The sound, lasting for over a minute, had a frequency so low that it could only be picked up by highly sensitive equipment. Its pattern suggested it was coming from something enormous, possibly far larger than anything on Earth. It was described as being consistent with the noise a large animal might make, but nothing could explain its magnitude. Its sheer power suggested it came from something massive, something beyond the realm of ordinary marine life. Over the years, theories began to swirl around the bloop. Could it be the call of an unknown sea creature, an ancient behemoth from the deep? The idea of a colossal, undiscovered monster, like a massive squid or crystari, or a creature so large it had never spoken that had never been seen, sent chills through those who dared to imagine what lurked beneath the surface. But others speculated that it could have been caused by the shifting of tectonic plates, a sudden geological event, or even the collapse of underwater icebergs. Yet none of these explanations could fully satisfy the unsettling mystery. The bloop seemed too strange, too immense to be easily explained. It was as if the ocean itself was whispering, revealing the existence of a dark secret hidden deep within the abyss. No one knew for sure what it was, but the eerie nature of the sound, combined with the vast emptiness of the ocean, only deepened the fear that something unimaginable might be lurking in the darkest corners of the world, waiting and watching. The bloop, a sound that may never be fully explained, remains a reminder of the ocean's vast, unexplored mysteries. Deep beneath the surface, in the unlit, alien world of the deep sea, there may be things that we can't even begin to comprehend. And the bloop is a chilling echo of something that still remains hidden, waiting in the depths, undisturbed and unknowable. Skyquakes are one of the most unnerving and unexplained phenomena to ever echo through the skies. These mysterious, bone-rattling booms, often likened to the sound of an explosion or distant thunder, seemingly come from nowhere, breaking the silence of the night, without warning, without any visible cause. It's as if the sky itself is shuddering in response to some unseen force. Witnesses describe the sound as a deep, rumbling roar, an eerie noise that seems to shake the very ground beneath their feet, causing windows to rattle and hearts to race with fear. The worst part, they often occur without any accompanying storm, lightning, or visible source. No thunderstorms, no earthquakes, no apparent explanation. Just the deafening sound of something immense, hidden in the vastness of the sky. The sound can be heard over vast distances, sometimes miles, and the sheer volume is enough to leave entire communities on edge. Often, people report that the booms are followed by an unnerving silence, a lingering unease, as though something just out of view is watching, waiting. What makes skyquakes even more terrifying is that their cause remains a mystery. Some believe they are the result of massive atmospheric disturbances, perhaps shifts in air pressure or rare meteorological phenomena, such as atmospheric gravity waves. Others speculate the sounds could be linked to underground activity, like shifting tectonic plates or exploding gas pockets beneath the Earth's surface. And then there are those who whisper darker theories, saying the sounds might be the result of something much more unearthly. Could they be connected to unknown forces, or even some form of extraterrestrial technology? No matter the explanation, the unexplained nature of skyquakes leaves a chilling question hanging in the air. What is capable of producing such an intense and terrifying sound from the very sky above us, with no clear origin and no warning of its arrival? The truth remains hidden in the vast, dark expanse of the atmosphere, leaving a lingering sense of unease, one that may never be fully understood.